You are paying for Claude every single month. Or worse, you can't even afford Opus 4.7 at all. I'm going to show you how to get Claude Opus 4.7, Anthropic's most powerful model, for absolutely free. No hacks, no sketchy methods, just a real trick most people haven't figured out yet. The tool is called Kiro and it's made by Amazon. It's an AI coding assistant, brand new, and right now, new accounts get Kiro Pro free for 1 month, and Kiro Pro runs on Claude Opus 4.7. That's a $20 value for $0. So what is Claude Opus 4.7 exactly? It's the top tier model from Anthropic, the company behind Claude. People are using it for complex coding, research, writing, stuff where GPT-4 or 5 just falls short. But the problem? Claude Pro costs $20 a month. And that's just for the regular plan. So when I found out Kiro Pro, which runs Opus 4.7, is free right now for new users, I had to make this video immediately. And by the way, Kiro is not just about Claude Opus 4.7 access. It's a full AI-powered IDE Think VS Code, but with a built-in AI agent that actually understands your entire code base. It does spec-driven development, meaning it writes the requirements first, then the code, so even on complex projects, it never loses context. If you are already on VS Code, you can import all your settings, themes, and plugins directly into Kiro. And there's a CLI to use it straight from your terminal. No IDE needed. So let's get started. Step 1 is go to app.kiro.dv, sign-in. Link is in the description. Don't worry, I got you. Important thing is, you need a brand new account. If you already have a Kiro account, this won't work. New account only. Sign up with Google or GitHub takes like 30 seconds. Done? Good. Now you're inside Kiro. After sign up, you land on the plan selection page. You'll see Kiro Free and Kiro Pro. Click on Kiro Pro. Now the page might show $20. Don't panic. That is not the final price. Just move to the payment page. This is the key step. Watch carefully. On the payment page, if the amount shows $0, you are in. That's your free month. Enter your credit card details. Nothing will be charged. This is a $0 trial. After payment, you might see a small delay before Pro activates. You now have Kiro Pro active. But here's the most important step, and most people skip it. Stay with me for 30 more seconds. It will save you $23. Go to app.kiro.dv, account, usage, click manage plan. Select Kiro Free from the options. Hit confirm. Done. You just cancelled the auto renewal for next month. Your current Pro trial still works 100% fine until it expires. But next month, zero charge. You won't forget, you won't get billed. Now let me show you this actually works. Inside Kiro, open a new chat, check the model selector. You should see Claude Opus 4.7 available. Let me ask it something complex, like create Pac-Man game. Look at that response. Full Opus 4.7 quality, no limits, no watermarks. This is the same model that normally costs $20 a month, running for free. And here's the thing most people don't realize. Kiro is not just a free Claude access trick. You can use Kiro at the exact same level as Claude Code. It has agents, it has skills, it has agentic workflows, everything you'd expect from a serious AI coding tool. And since you're getting all the frontier models anyway, Opus 4.7, Sonnet, Haiku, you're not missing out on anything. But the real power move? Install the Kiro CLI. Once you do that, you're running AI directly from your terminal. Same way you'd use Claude Code, writing code, reviewing files, automating workflows, all from the command line. No browser, no IDE, just pure AI power. Completely free. So don't just use this for Claude access, actually set up Kiro CLI and treat it as your full-time Claude Code replacement. It's not a permanent replacement, but as a free trial to access Opus 4.7, 100% worth it. If you found this useful, subscribe. I drop these AI money saving methods every week. And if you want to go deeper on Claude Code, my last video breaks down how to use it in code mode. Link is on screen, and I will catch you in the next one.